3, 2, 1.
What is the central concept of existentialism? The answer is C, free will. What was Janie's maiden name on the sitcom Mad About You? The answer is C, Stemple. What does HTML stand for? The answer is A, hypertext markup language. How can H2O on the ground eventually rise into the sky? The answer is D, evaporation. Invented the light bulb, but not a painter. Who am I? The answer is A, Thomas Edison. What is the title of George Orwell's dystopian novel set in a totalitarian society? The answer is C, 1984. How many Horcruxes did Tom Riddle make? The answer is A, 7. Rudolf Virchow developed the hypothesis that cells only come from other cells in what year? The answer is D, 1858. What relative of Susan Sarandon was an advertising executive, television producer, and nightclub singer? The answer is C, her father. What Smoky Mountain U.S. state has made it illegal to bring a skunk into the state? The answer is C, Tennessee. When both objects have a positive charge, what will the force be between them? The answer is D, repulsive. The Bretton Woods Agreement took place in which country?
The answer is D, United States.
What was the first car to be built entirely by robots? The answer is A, Tesla Model S. Where is the White Sea located? The answer is D, Northeastern Europe. What is the element represented by the symbol Cl? The answer is B, chlorine. What makes music, but has no ears? The answer is C, recorder. What is the outer core made of? The answer is A, liquid metal. What is the state animal of the U.S. state of Maine? The answer is A, moose. Which of these flamingo species is not native to the Americas? The answer is B, lesser flamingo. Which Marvel character has the power of telekinesis? The answer is D. Jean Grey. All of these gadgets belong to James Bond except one. Can you spot it? The answer is A. Batarang. In which region was Marquis de Montcalm born? The answer is B. Languedoc. What is Capricorn's mother's name in the book Ink Spell? The answer is B. Mortola. The temperature of water in a glass changes from 5 degrees C to -1 degree C. How will the water most likely change? The answer is C. It will freeze. Which car manufacturer makes the Range Rover? The answer is A. Land Rover. What is a pot holder made of? The answer is C. Plastic. What is the name of the robot in WALL-E? The answer is B. WALL-E. Boris Karloff has how many stars on the Hollywood Walk of Fame? The answer is A. 2. Which of the following is a significant source of energy in the Earth's interior? The answer is D. Radioactive isotopes. How could you welcome your Italian friend in his or her native language? The answer is A. South. What type of tea is the Chinese gunpowder tea produced in Zhejiang province of China? The answer is B. Green tea. In the Petticoat Junction sitcom, which of the girls played a tomboy role? The answer is B. Betty Jo. What type of syrup is used for the preparation of the sweet Indian drink called Faluda? The answer is C. Rose syrup. What 1950 movie featuring Marilyn Monroe set a long-running record by receiving 14 Academy Award nominations? The answer is D. All About Eve. What is a situation where a country produces more than it consumes? The answer is A. Deficit. What economic system is characterized by competition among private owners for control of the means of production? The answer is B. Socialism. What occurs when light interacts with our atmosphere? The answer is D. Rayleigh scattering. Who wrote Common Sense during the American Revolution? The answer is A. Thomas Paine. What country was once called Abyssinia? The answer is B, Ethiopia. What causes a sundog to appear in the sky? The answer is C, refraction of sunlight by ice crystals. Which author wrote A Country Doctor's Notebook? The answer is B, Mikhail Bulgakov. Which Beatle released a solo album before the group disbanded? The answer is B, Paul McCartney. Which piece of equipment is used to measure a golfer's score? The answer is D, pencil. Which character is portrayed by Emma Stone in La La Land? The answer is C, actress. In episode #29 of the sitcom Martin, when Martin goes to his 10-year high school reunion, who plays Pretty Ricky? The answer is C, Miguel Nunes. Who was the most villainous cat in the film Cats and Dogs? The answer is D, Mr. Tingles. Which item is used to remove keys from locks? The answer is A, hammer. What is the purpose of a capacitor in an electronic circuit? The answer is A, storage. What do you use to make a note stand up on a page? The answer is A, bookmark. Which fashion designer is known for his haute couture designs?